Hi Meera, you're one of the dear managers I have had, and more than that, I like the way you value for any relationship, and all the very best. Have a great future. Thank you.
Hi Meera, saying goodbye has always been tough with me, but hey, we're just a call or ping away. Um, I've it was difficult and it was mixed feelings when I joined the team, but then you made the journey so smooth and so unforgettable. You've been a strong person throughout, and you were this friend and a guide and a mother, definitely young. So thank you for all that you've been, and yeah, all the best in everything you do. Have fun. Thank you.
Hi Meera. First and foremost, I'm feeling very sad that you're leaving, and I would like to recollect some of the days we spent together in the NPSD team, and I felt that you really encouraged me a lot, guided me and mentored me, and as a result of which, I'm a leader today, and I owe a lot of my success to you. And once again, I really feel sad that you're leaving, but at the same time, I wish you a great future and all the success in your future. And no matter where you go, may you have all the success, and may all your wishes and all your hopes and aspirations come true. Always, please keep in touch, and you're someone whom we will always remember and we will very dearly miss. And here's this very special message for you.
Your league target is very big loss. We really wish that we could have you back with us. So anytime, please feel free to come back. Thank you.
Hi Mira, I know when you're seeing this video, you will be in a very sad situation. You'll be missing us, and I know this is very emotional. But definitely, whatever you've planned for your future, I know that there's something big coming up. Like the other day when I told you, when one door closes, there's another door which is going to open. Wish you all the success for whatever you've planned for your future, and I wish all success for you, Dhruv, Yana, and Praveen. God bless you, and thanks for everything. Yeah.
Okay, Mira, firstly want to thank you for being a great leader. The leader I am today is because of all the coaching and all the training that you gave me. So you'll be truly missed, and you've been a great leader, a great peer, and a great friend. Thank you.
Hi Mira, I know where to start from. You've been like a mentor, a leader, a friend. Like I don't know what to say in like this situation. Like I would want you to be my leader like for lifelong. That's the way I would want. But the situation, just wanna say all the best to you. That all the good things, whatever happens from here, happens for you. And I'm gonna miss you. Thank you.
Hi Mira, thank you all very much for all that you've done for us and for our team. You've been very instrumental in changing the way our team was from earlier to now, building that entire team morale and the way Minneapolis and Target India perceived us. You'll surely be missed by all of us. We'll miss out all those fun outings with you and all those sessions which we used to have. All that happens stays there itself. So. I'd like to wish you all the very best for you in your future life, as well as all the best for having time with your personal life too. Thank you.
Hi Mira. So to go a little behind, this is my first job in Target, and you're the first manager I ever had. So it was a great learning to be under you, and a lot of lessons learned. Thank you for being a friend, a mentor, a good advisor. Thank you so much for all that. I know the decision you had to make was a hard one. Good luck. I'm sure you're going to be a great mother, a great wife, and everyone's going to be really, really, really proud to have you back at home. So good luck, and all the luck for your endeavors.
Okay, hi Mira. I actually don't know what to say. Yes, but yeah, you've actually been the whole culture of Target for me, at least from the time I joined. I've been under you, and there's a lot I have learned about Target and about life. Leave the leader bit, but I think we've shared a lot at a personal level, there's way too much that I learned as to what and how you should do things with regards to a lot of things in life. So I owe a lot of it to you, and you've set a different benchmark for us. And I don't know what to say post that. So yes, I'm sure the decision that you've taken is kind of going to give you a lot of happiness. So all the best for everything that you want to do, personally and in case again professionally. Do keep in touch. I think we'll keep in touch too. So good luck. Take care.
Hi Mira, first of all thank you for giving me an opportunity to be part of MPSD team. And I just worked for 2 months under your leadership, and it's been great to be part of this team and to be working with you. And in 2 months you showed me that you're a great leader to be part of, and all the best for your future.
Okay, so every time I talk a lot, and this time I'm like speechless and I don't know what to say. I'm just confused. Mira, I'm gonna definitely miss you, because just sitting next to you was big time fun. I'm sorry that I've irritated you so much with my PJs and all boring songs which I've sang throughout. Definitely gonna miss you, and you've been the first leader when I entered Target, and it's been wonderful from the day of my interview till today. I don't know how it's gonna be going forward. Wish you all the best in whatever you do. I'm sure you're going to be a great person back home. We're going to miss you definitely in the team. Thank you.
Hi Mira, I hope you're doing good. So just wanted to say a big thank you once again. This is something that probably you look back in your life and go through this again. I just want to send across a message not just to you but also to your loved ones, and how grateful and happy they should be to have someone like you around. You've been a great inspiration, a great leader, a sister. So I wish you all the best for your future, and hope you remember us in your prayers as well. Take care.